Greetings, everybody, and welcome to another Google Web Designer quick demo. I'm going to take you through how you can add WhatsApp functionality onto your banners. And by that, I mean that you are able to get people to click onto your banner and then be able to send you a WhatsApp. So basically, when you click the banner, a WhatsApp will pop up. Before I jump into Google Web Designer, I just want to talk about the URL that triggers the WhatsApp to open up. So this is the URL that you'll have to use. So you have to copy this URL exactly as it is on the screen. You'll also need to add a phone number. You'll have to obviously write that phone number according to international standards. And then if you want that WhatsApp to open up with the pre-written text, for the people who just want to be really, really quick and send a message quickly, you can. So the example here is, say, tell me more. How you would do that is you would add the following to the existing URL. So, and text equals, and then you add the text. But what you'll notice is that in between the text, there's a %20. So it's tell, %20, me, %20, more, %20. So that's the URL that you're going to use, and that's the URL that you would copy. So I'm going to jump out of here. I'm going to copy this URL, and then I'm going to go into Google Web Designer. I'm then going to create my banner. So there's my button. That's it. That triggers people to click to send me a WhatsApp. I'm going to go into my components. I'm going to jump into my tap area, select the place where I want them to click. That's my tap area, right? So I've got my components and I've got, which is my tap area. I right-click my tap area. I'm going to add an event. So every time you use your tap area, you add an event, right? Click on there. So what is this? It's a tap area. When you touch and click it, something happens. What is it on? It's in a Google ad. And when it's clicked, it exits the ad. Again, it's a Google ad. So matrix ID is just you calling it whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to call it WhatsApp. And then that long URL that I had, I'm going to paste it in here, right? So I've pasted it in here. Then I click OK. And that's it. Then I can jump into my preview. So when obviously this is not a phone. So when I click, what it's going to do is that it's opening up the WhatsApp website, but there's my text there. So if I was on a phone, it would open up my WhatsApp and it would have tell me more inside there. It's very simple and straight to the point, and actually quite useful if you want to be interactive with your consumers. So a quick recap again. You need to use the URL as I described earlier on. Use the tap area. Once you've got the tap area placed onto your canvas, remember to right-click, add event, follow the steps within add event, and then copy and paste that URL as I described it earlier on in the video. This is a really great way to start getting engaged with your consumers and getting them and driving action immediately. Just one more last time so you can see the URL. So this is the first bit. Remember the phone number. Remember the text bit. You don't have to have the text bit. It can just be a direct open to WhatsApp. But I'll keep this up for a few seconds. Again, thank you very much. Enjoy your day and hope this was helpful.